I am going to teach you how to make this or anything animated with Google Slides. Te voy a enseñar cómo hacer esto y animar a los objetos con Google Slides. Okay? Get ready. Okay, so basically we're going to start in our Drive. So in your Google Drive, then you go New, and we're going to do Google Slides, just like you usually do. Then we want to get rid of this like text stuff. You just want a blank slide because you're going to do animated things. So actually, did you know you can kind of drag and highlight? Ugh, sorry. And then delete it. Just press delete. And then we're going to make the background a different color. I just clicked with 2 fingers, like double click. Or sorry, click. Right, that's called right click. And then change the background. Let's do green. Okay, so we want to call it baby chick. I already made one to show you my example, but this is going to be how you make something animated, and it's kind of called stop motion. Es para animar las cosas, pero en inglés se llama stop motion porque it's like it stops everything, and then if you make it faster and you speed it up, it looks like a little bit like a movie, or like a GIF, like a short, tiny little movie. So we're going to insert some images. So you go to Insert. I'm going to go find a chicken coop. So you can search the web, and you might want to find like things that you have to make sure you want things that will look good. So they usually should have like a transparent background. So like real pictures like this, that's just a rectangle and it's going to look a little weird, but I used this one, and you can see it has a transparent background. Sometimes they have white backgrounds and it'll look really weird on if you want to make it move or anything. So you might want to just search again, or there's another way to search, like by adding the words clip art to your word. Like if you are searching for an elephant or something and you want an elephant, then you do elephant clip art, because then it's like picture, like cute, drawings and stuff of elephants, not like pictures of real elephants. So clip art is another way to do that. I'm going to add this one. So I just click on it and click insert. And then I want to resize it. Make it a little smaller. Okay, and then so I am going to copy this slide, and then it's like on the next slide, I'm going to make my chicken appear. So if I press Control C, it copies. Or you can also click with 2 fingers on the slide and copy it and then paste it. Or the other trick is highlight the whole thing, Control C, go down here, Control V. Okay, Control C, Control V, like that. Then it pastes it. Okay, now I'm going to add a little chicken, or the mama chicken. Haha. So let's do search. So like I said, if I search chicken, I'm probably going to find, food and real chickens. But if I search chicken clip art, then there we go. These are some good ones. So I used this one. And I might add more to my slide later to make it like a funny video. Like, oh my gosh, there's so many chick babies. What am I going to do? There's a million of them. Okay. And then if you want to make something move, we're going to add, so I'm going to copy this slide again. Copy. And let me move this. Haha. So you can see what I'm doing. Oops. I just pressed enter and I do not want a blank slide. I want the same slide, paste, Control V. Okay, so now that I have that chicken, I was going to insert a little egg, image, egg. I know this is taking a little while. Let's just show you how to make it move, okay? So insert, image. Let's do egg clip art. Okay, yeah, like this one. So once I insert that, then I've got to make it smaller. Goodness gracious. Once you want to do that, I'm going to make it kind of roll down. So I turned it sideways. But you can do this with any images that you find. Okay, so we're going to start it right here. And then the thing that I did to make it kind of roll down that little hill is you take this whole slide and you copy it, Control C, go down, Control V, and then you just move it down with your little arrow key. So you move it down one, boop, okay. And then you can paste it and then move it down. 1, 2. I'm just copying this earlier slide. So then that's why I'm like adding a number. But if you're going to copy this slide before it and add it, before it and add it, before it and add it, you're going to only add 1 each time. But since I'm copying this slide, just paste, 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 paste. Then what you can do is go, okay, so I added 1 little arrow to this one. I added 2 to that one. Now I'm going to add, paste, go. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do paste. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're getting close. Paste. Make another slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do one more right now. Paste it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's good for now. So if you want to see what your thing is going to look like, you can just go to this first slide and then like do your arrow keys all the way down. So it's like boop, 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 boop. That's what it's going to look like. Then I want the little chick to hatch. And so I'm going to copy this last slide. I just press Control C and then Control V. Now I'm going to delete the egg and add a chick. Insert. So I did baby chick clip art. Which one did I use? There's some funny ones in here. That one. Okay, that one looks the most like that mama chicken, I guess. All right. Yay! Okay, so that's what I did. And then to make it into a little movie, let me go over here so you can see what's going on. You will go to File, Publish to the Web. Okay, and we're going to turn it into a little movie. So then once you do that, File, Publish to the Web, you go to every second, and actually you're going to see every second is actually even too slow. Even 1 second, it looks like So you're going to want to make it even faster than that. We'll show you how to do that. So you're going to want to start the slideshow and then you can restart it so it will go in a loop. Then we publish it. You say, okay, and you get this link. Now on this link, you can see if you, well, I'm going to see it says press Control C to copy. Copy, I'm on the Mac computer, so it's Command C. But at the very end, there's this 1000. And that is what it shows for 1 second. So, but instead of 1 second, we're going to want to make it super short. So we're going to make it 1/10 of a second. And we're going to make it like, if you take off this part, delete. Actually, you can't delete it right now. So once I paste it into its own tab, I'm going to go open another tab. And I just copied that whole web address. So I'm going to paste it right here. See how it's going real slow? Oh my gosh, it's so slow. So now I'm going to go to the end of it and delete. I have to paste it again, and except when I paste it, I'm going to delete that 0. There you go. Now it'll go fast enough. Whee! Oh, and see at the end, you can hardly see the chick for like a second. So something better that I could do to fix it would be just go back and add a few slides where it's just the chick and the mama like hanging out. So then I can do that again so that you can actually see the baby chick. I could make it do other things, or I could like hatch a bunch of them at the same time and be like, oh my god, there's baby chicks everywhere. Something like that. But that's how you make it animated. And I want you guys to test it out and see if you can make something. If you could, it would be really, really awesome if you guys could please share it with me because I want to see your work. And so you go to share. After you've done, most of it or what you think is actually like pretty good, you go to share and then just type Carolyn Slavin, Carolyn. That's my name. Type for Miss Slavin, okay? So yeah, share it with me. I really want to see your work and see if you come up with something really funny or whatever. I can post it on our library Instagram. I could take a video of it. That would be awesome. Okay, thanks guys. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions too. Thank you.